Ever sent a Venmo payment and then stared at your phone, willing the money to magically appear in your bank account? We've all been there. Maybe you need that cash for an upcoming bill, or you're just curious. Whatever the reason, the waiting game can be frustrating. Fear not, fellow Venmo users. This video will crack the code on Venmo transfer times and answer the age-old question, how long does it take for a Venmo payment to show up in my bank account? There's actually more to the story than a simple answer. Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of bank transfers, processing times, and a handy little feature called instant transfer. The classic bank transfer, patience is a virtue, but not really. The most common way to move money from Venmo to your bank account is the free standard transfer. This method uses the ACH network, which is basically a giant plumbing system that shuffles money between banks. It's reliable, but not exactly known for its lightning speed. Here's the deal, standard transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to reach your account. So, if you initiate the transfer on a Monday afternoon, you might see the funds by Tuesday or Wednesday, but it could take until Thursday. Weekends and holidays throw a wrench in the works too, adding an extra day to the waiting game. Need the money now? Instant transfer to the rescue. For those times when waiting just isn't an option, Venmo offers instant transfer. This nifty feature gets your money to your bank account within 30 minutes, perfect for emergencies or when you need cash fast. There's a catch, though. Instant transfer isn't free. Venmo charges a 1.75% fee on the transfer amount, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. So, if you're transferring a small amount, the fee might not be worth it. But for larger transfers or urgent situations, it can be a lifesaver. Behind the scenes, what slows things down? So, why does it take time for your money to move? There are a few reasons. First, Venmo needs to verify the transfer and make sure everything is legit. This helps prevent fraud and keeps your account secure. Then, the transfer gets handed off to the ACH network. Think of it as rush hour traffic on the highway of money. There can be a backlog of transfers, which can add to the processing time. Finally, your bank has to receive and process the transfer on their end. This can take an additional day or two, depending on their internal procedures. Keeping track of your Venmo money. No matter which transfer method you choose, Venmo keeps you updated on the progress. You can check the status of your transfer in the app or on the website. There's even an estimated arrival date displayed, so you can plan accordingly. The final verdict, patience is key, but instant transfer is an option. So, the answer to our burning question? A standard Venmo transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days to show up in your bank account. If you need the money faster, instant transfer is available for a fee. Ultimately, the best option depends on your needs and budget. For everyday transfers, the free standard transfer is a solid choice. But when time is of the essence, instant transfer can be your knight in shining armor, or should we say, green and white armor, because that's Venmo's color scheme. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.